Welcome to the YouTube channel, Dr. Mai, sharing medical knowledge. Today's topic is internet addiction, a growing concern, especially among adolescents. Before diving into this important topic, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video to support the channel's development and enable us to bring you more insightful content. Internet addiction and adolescence, a growing concern. Adolescents with internet addiction undergo significant changes in their brains, potentially leading to other addictive behaviors and tendencies. This alarming trend was highlighted in a recent study by UCL researchers, which sheds light on how internet addiction impacts the developing brains of young people. The findings, published in PLOS Mental Health, reviewed 12 articles involving 237 young individuals aged 10-19 who had a formal diagnosis of internet addiction between 2013 and 2023. Internet addiction is characterized by an individual's inability to resist the urge to use the internet, negatively impacting their psychological well-being and their social, academic, and professional lives. Investigating the brain's functional connectivity. The studies utilized functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, to explore the functional connectivity of participants with internet addiction. Functional connectivity refers to how different regions of the brain interact with each other. Researchers examined these connections both while participants were resting and while they were engaged in tasks. The effects of internet addiction were evident across multiple neural networks in the adolescents' brains. Specifically, there was a mix of increased and decreased activity in the brain's default mode network, DMN, the parts of the brain activated when resting. Conversely, there was a general decrease in functional connectivity within the executive control network, ECN, the parts of the brain involved in active thinking and decision-making. Impact on behavior and development. These neurological changes were found to lead to various addictive behaviors and tendencies. They also impacted behavior changes related to intellectual ability, physical coordination, mental health, and overall development. According to the lead author, MSc student Max Chang from the UCL Great Ormond Street Institute for Child Health, adolescence is a critical developmental stage marked by significant changes in biology, cognition, and personality. This makes the adolescent brain particularly vulnerable to internet addiction and its related urges, such as compulsive internet usage and cravings for interaction with digital devices. Chang explains, "Our study demonstrates that internet addiction can lead to negative behavioral and developmental changes in adolescents. They may struggle to maintain relationships and social activities, lie about their online activity, and experience irregular eating patterns and disrupted sleep." The scope of the problem. With the increasing accessibility of smartphones and laptops, internet addiction is becoming a global issue. Previous research has shown that people in the UK spend over 24 hours every week online. More than half of those surveyed self-reported being addicted to the internet. Additionally, a report by Ofcom found that over 60% of the 50 million internet users in the UK believed their internet usage had negatively affected their lives, such as causing them to be late or neglect chores. Senior author Irene Lee, also from the UCL Great Ormond Street Institute of Child Health, stated, "There is no doubt that the internet has certain advantages. However, when it begins to affect our day-to-day lives, it is a problem. We advise that young people enforce sensible time limits for their daily internet usage and remain aware of the psychological and social implications of spending too much time online." A call to action. Chang and his colleagues hope that their findings will highlight how internet addiction alters brain connections during adolescence, allowing physicians to better screen and treat this condition. Potential treatments could target specific brain regions or involve psychotherapy or family therapy to address key symptoms of internet addiction. Parental education on internet addiction is another critical preventive measure. Parents who recognize the early signs of internet addiction can more effectively manage screen time and impulsivity in their children, reducing the risk of addiction. In conclusion, internet addiction among adolescents is a serious issue that requires immediate attention. Understanding the neurological changes associated with this addiction can help in developing effective prevention and treatment strategies. It's essential for young people, parents, and healthcare providers to work together to address this growing problem. Thank you for tuning in to Dr. Mai, sharing medical knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video to support the channel's development and ensure we can continue bringing you valuable insights on important health topics. Stay informed and take care.